Break-resistant BPA-free. This reusable water bottle is made of durable plastic, which is BPA-free and food-grade quality. Interchangeable lid. Sip from a straw or chug as much water as you want. This Star Wars water bottle's lid comes with a sip spout, but can be easily disassembled and turned into a chug lid instead. It also fits on any other Genesis bottle. One-hand operation. This leak-proof water bottle comes with a push-button lid that enables one-handed operation, and it's easy to drink from the straw opening. You won't have to worry about a thing when you take this Zach water bottle on the road while driving. Built-in carrying handle leak-proof design. The convenient carrying handle is perfect for bringing your favorite cold beverage on the go, and stays out of the way against the lid when it's not being used. The leak-proof construction of the bottle allows easy, worry-free transportation inside gym bags, totes, backpacks, and more. Dimensions. This Star Wars bottle is 7.13 inches tall and holds 18 liquid ounces. It's BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Do not microwave. Top reviews from the United States. Mini water bottle. What do you buy a 5-year-old little girl for back to school for kindergarten? Matching Minnie Mouse accessories. She already had a Minnie Mouse backpack, so I purchased her a Minnie Mouse lunchbox, and the beautiful Minnie Mouse water bottle. She was over the moon excited to get them both. This water bottle, it's just perfect for a little 5-year-old hands, has a click-open handle, and a click-open straw. Can't ask for much more than that in a water bottle. Colors are bright and beautiful, she should get many enjoyable refills out of it.